In this episode, I will be showing you how to attach your Rode Video Mic Pro to your Sony A7 III. So with this microphone, you'll get a little adapter, a charger for the microphone, and a battery. First, you're going to need to put the battery inside of the microphone as is being shown to you in this video right now. Do not try to force the battery inside of the microphone as it should just slide in very easily and smoothly. Once you got the battery in there, you are ready for the next step. So now you're going to attach the actual microphone to the camera. You're going to remove the cover from the microphone jack, but make sure not to lose it. Then you're going to untighten the microphone to ensure that it can slide right into the microphone jack. Again, do not force it in there as it should just smoothly slide in. But once you do get it in there, tighten the microphone as tight as possible because you do not want it to fall off of the camera. Now you're going to open the left side of the camera so you can attach your adapter from the microphone to the camera itself. Now that you've done that, every time you turn on the camera, the microphone should also turn on. If so, you're ready to start recording audio.